Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're beginning a full restore on an Apple TV second generation. Start now. First, make sure the unit is powered and connected to your TV via HDMI so you can confirm status. Connect a micro USB cable from the Apple TV to your computer with iTunes open. That link is required to reload firmware. Once connected, put the Apple TV into recovery mode by holding down Menu and play /pause until the front LED flashes rapidly. This tells iTunes the device needs restoration. Now you'll let iTunes do the heavy lifting. In iTunes, select the detected Apple TV and click Restore. This downloads the proper IPSWA and erases the device. You should see progress bars, monitor them, and be patient because slow internet will extend the download time. Make sure your computer won't sleep and avoid disconnecting the cable. Interrupting the process can brick the unit. Once iTunes finishes, it will verify and install the firmware. Then eject the Apple TV and reboot it into factory defaults. Finish by walking through the initial setup on the TV. Reconnect Wi-Fi, sign into your Apple ID, and reconfigure video/audio settings so everything works as before. If iTunes reported an error or the Apple TV stays in recovery, try another micro USB cable or a different computer. Faulty cables and outdated iTunes versions are common causes. As a final tip, if the device remains unresponsive after repeated restores, consider hardware repair options because the internal storage or power circuitry may be failing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.